I mainly chose Vivid because of the teachers we have. I think that it's really interesting that we have teachers from all over the world come here, and they're also current graphic designers working in their own studios. So they're not just teachers, and I think that that was really interesting. And the international perspective, we have people coming from different countries. I think it's super cool.
I think working in team is the basis of design. You are always surrounded by people, not just designers, but other fields related to design. And I think it's really necessary, the kind of things we do here in Vivid, work with different people. We're not always coming from a design background, so it's interesting to have other perspectives in same projects, yeah.
So some of the projects we've had, we're also building case studies for our portfolio, projects we've done in class with other students. So I think we work well. Yeah, so for me, I didn't come from a graphic design perspective. So I studied a journalism communications degree. So for me, designing was more about the aesthetics. And I started to learn how to first think about a strong concept, a narrative, and then develop into graphics and like how kind of bind it all together. So that was one thing I learned, and for sure, yeah.
In my case, I did come from a graphic design background. So the thing I think I most learned about is the different positions you can go through as a designer. You can change a lot from being a real graphic designer to a creative director or other type of fields, and kind of like discovering the whole world of design entirely. Yeah, I think we're all kind of looking forward the experience in New York, just to actually go to a design studio and see the environment, the people, how they work together. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, for me, I'm just super excited to just continue, because I feel like I'm learning so much. I'm developing as a designer, so I'm like ready to almost just go out and work and do a lot of stuff. So I'm just excited for that. Yeah, starting to think of it as a designer rather than just designing stuff because I like them, I thought was probably the best thing I learned. Yeah.
I think what I enjoyed the most was talking to real designers. I can ask whatever questions comes to my mind. I can ask my doubts. Also, to improve my portfolio with their assistance. It is perfect for me to get a professional portfolio actually validated by them. And yeah, I think that's kind of like the best part.